Hello guys, welcome to the 50th and the final video of the DBMS question series. So today we are going to talk about the same question which we talked in the previous video. So here in this question they are asking, after installing the operating system on the computer, the software was reinstalled. All previous data needs to be restored in the database. To do this, use the previous created runtime HTTP backup file, create the required restore. Got it. Okay, in the previous video we have created a backup file to our database. So in this video we have to restore the database which we backup in the previous video. So I'm going to open run here, then I'm going to search cmd, then here, then you will open the command prompt, then here I'm going to write my query here. So I'm going to write cd, then I'm in the C file, then I'm going to write cd program files So I'm going to write users cd Okay, I'm in the C file now. So next I'm going to write cd, then program files, then I'm going to write cd MySQL. Then next I'm going to write cd MySQL server 8.0. Then I'm going to write cd bin. Then in the bin file I'm going to write MySQL. Then I'm going to add my username. My username will be root, and password. Later I'm going to add the password, and my database is runtime SCHDB. Then I have stored my backup file in the D file, so I'm going to use this. Then run pim CHDB backup.sql. This is my backup file name. Here you can see my backup file name is this one. gonna be my HDB backup. As you can see here, I'm going to copy the name here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, this is how we restore a backup file using the command prompt. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.